Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Sito. What did you bought from the mall?
I bought some
Baby toys. But only babies can play those. Where did you buy those? Guys, can I show them?
Why did you put it like
that? Why did you do that? Yes.
show you it? Can I? Spider-Man. This is a pig. Not that. I don't have to I got this. And I got this. And I got this. And I got this. Yes, it. Then from your knee. Yes, and I got this. And the last one got this. What is this? That is yours to save money. You love my toys? Yeah. You love mine? Why you asking me such time? Do you love my toy like that? Oh, I didn't ask you that. These are me and Mexico always say Avengers. Juice. This is the milk soft. This is the milk and this is the juice. What is it? Can I play with you? Okay. I want to do on this. Wait. I know what to do. Is this pepper? Milk. You want to put some juice? Some juice. And milk mix. So please keep this down. Okay. Is this the spoon? Okay, I'm going to put this down. I'm putting this. Is it asking to lose or something like that? You only put like this? Let's This is noodles, baby. This. Yeah. Okay. Why did you put a spoon on this thing in this? This is just good for health. It's just baby food. Okay, only little bit. That's all. Because we used to only do little bit. I think a lot. Okay, let's. Am I take all the last bit? No. Baby, do you want this? Okay.
Choose some baby lives.
No.
Yeah, I think it's a yummy.
Baby loves milk.
Little bit I only baby loves. Not a lot of time. But baby loves a lot.
Take one napkin. Clean there on the mouth. Just clean them up. Some cap. No. Now can you play with mine? Okay? Okay. What is that? Do the right one?
When you went down,
Okay, come on.
allow us to play.
You can shoot them. Look.
What's the hearing the ball?
In the ball.
Can you come and play with me? Since I play with Yasmin,
I love my toy.
I played with you.
Okay, wait a minute.
Yeah, guys. Oh my goodness.
Now let's take one. What's that? Shoot. What's good? You put that one low. Can you open it like this? Can you open it? Hold your hand here. And another one also. This one is moving also. He's doing it, guys. What's that for a trick?
Sorry, are you okay? Ready to shoot? Ready, set, go! One, last. Okay, that's all. That's all. Now let's go to the bedroom. Everything inside. Let's go back to the bedroom. Let's go. Okay, guys. Bye. See you down too. Bye, guys. Bye. Wow, tomorrow.
Yeah, bye.
Bye. We'll see you all tomorrow. The thumbs up, subscribe, share, and get the joint button. See you next time. And check on King and Queen YouTube page.